If you're wondering how to update CapCut on a Windows PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to check for updates and install the latest version of CapCut on Windows, so you can keep your editor running smoothly and get access to the newest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Now let's jump right in. First, launch CapCut on your Windows PC. Once the app opens, make sure you're looking at the homepage or dashboard before opening any project. This is important because the update option is easier to find from the main screen. You do not need to load a video project first. Now, look toward the top right corner of the CapCut window. You should see a hexagonal settings icon there. Click on that settings icon to open the menu. A drop-down list will appear with several options, and from that menu, select Version. This is where CapCut keeps the update settings for the desktop app. Inside the version section, you'll see an option that says Check for Updates. Click that button and CapCut will start looking for the newest available version. If your app is already up to date, CapCut will let you know right away. But if a new version is available, you'll see an update prompt appear. When a new version is found, click Install Now. CapCut will begin downloading the update automatically. At this stage, just let the process finish and avoid closing the app or interrupting the download. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, CapCut will ask you to restart the app. Click Restart to finish the installation. This final step is important because the update won't fully apply until CapCut closes and reopens with the new version loaded. After the restart, you can go back into the version menu again if you want to confirm that you're now running the latest release. And that's how you update CapCut on Windows in just a few simple clicks. It's quick, it's easy, and it helps keep your editing experience stable and up to date. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tips, Windows tutorials, and beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.